In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom-coded template in HubSpot. Start by opening your browser, heading to your favorite search engine, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign in to your account. Once you're in, hover over the left sidebar to locate the content area. From there, open the Design Manager. This is HubSpot's code-friendly workspace where you can manage templates, modules, and assets for your site and emails. Inside Design Manager, choose to create a new file. You'll be prompted to select the file type. Pick HTML plus HubL. HubL is HubSpot's templating language that lets you mix standard HTML with dynamic features, fields, and modules, so your template can be both flexible and editor-friendly. Continue by clicking Next. You'll now choose the template type. Select the option that matches how you plan to use this file, such as a page, a blog template, or an email. Picking the right type ensures the template appears in the correct place when your team creates new content. Give your file a clear, descriptive name that follows your team's naming conventions, then confirm by clicking Create. HubSpot will open the code editor with your new template ready to customize. Add your editable fields so non-technical teammates can update content without touching code. Use HubL to define areas for headlines, rich text, images, or other content you want marketers to control. Keep labels and internal names clear, and consider sensible default content so the template looks good the moment it's used. Next, bring in modules to structure the page. You can use built-in modules or your own custom ones. For example, you might insert an image module with a tag like %module hero banner path at HubSpot image %t. Configure your modules with readable labels and helpful help text so editors understand what each part does. As you assemble your layout, keep your HTML semantic and organized, and add comments to explain sections for future maintenance. When you're satisfied with the structure and fields, publish your changes. Clicking Publish Changes saves your work and makes the template available within HubSpot's content tools. From there, your team can select it when creating a new page, post, or email, and they'll see the editable regions and modules you set up. That's it. You searched for HubSpot, signed in, opened Design Manager, created an HTML plus HubL file, chose the template type, named it, added editable fields and modules, and published your changes. Keep iterating with clean code and clear labels, and you'll have a reusable, powerful template your whole team can trust.